Hello and welcome from John at Central Exteriors Asheville. Today's video features a completed roof and gutter installation project. This home is located in Canton, North Carolina. The home had a roof surface area of 3,600 square feet, and we also did the roof replacement on a small shed nearby to the home, and that shed roof was about 200 square feet. The shingle used for this roof was the CertainTeed Landmark shingle weathered wood. We installed new drip edge on the eaves and rakes, new ice and water shield in the valleys and around the roof penetrations. We also did new ridge vent and new hip and ridge cap shingles. We installed new step flashing throughout the installation, which came to around 110 feet. Once our roof installation was complete, we also set up our gutter team to install new gutters on this home. We installed new 6-inch gutters with 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts and also installed 6-inch shore flow leaf protection. Thank you for joining Central Exteriors Asheville, and we'll see you again in our next video.